In today's video, we refurbish a girl's bike. Hello everybody, my name is Patrick, and this is Dad Life Projects. This project we're going to be doing today, I'm going to have to help my daughter here.
Hi Daddy.
Judy, and we're going to work on this bike that I built like 2 years ago for Christmas.
Hello.
Hi Judy. And as you can see, it's looking a little run down. It's 2 years old. So what I did, I bought a bunch of brand new parts for it, and we'll just see if we can start.
This stuff.
Yeah.
This is the parts.
Yeah.
Here, Daddy.
And we're gonna see if we can make it look a little better.
Okay.
So let's get to work.
Yay.
All right, the first thing we're gonna do is I'm gonna go ahead and take off this seat and the post, and I'm gonna paint the post, or have the post painted.
We're gonna paint the post.
Yes, we're gonna paint it pink.
Paint.
I got a nice pink color here for the stem, and I'm gonna let my daughter do it here in a second. Now, do you know how to paint with a spray can?
No.
You always keep it moving. Always like this. If you do it, then you have a bunch of runs.
Oh.
So,
Which way does it?
yeah, that's the thing right there. There you go. There you go. There you go.
Now the other side. It smells bad.
Well, yeah, that's paint.
Pee. It's dripping. Do you think that's good?
Yeah, let me.
We need the bottom.
I know. Let me do this. Good job, though, Judy. Good job for your first time.
It's shiny.
Yeah, dripping a little bit.
That's because I put on too much paint.
That's all right. Watch out. Okay, let it do. Maybe we'll do another coat of it here in a minute while we work on the bike.
Okay.
All right. While we're waiting for that to dry, so I put another coat on it.
We're gonna put on a sticker.
Judy's gonna start stickering up this thing while I take off the basket here that's been broken up, and we'll get ready to put the basket on there. So let's do this. I think I'm gonna do a little spraying and
Put it
cleaning.
over here.
You can put it wherever you want. It's yours.
Over.
Yeah, I don't care. It's your bike. Whatever. Let's put this here for a second.
There. There's the bow stickers that I put on. When I put those bow stickers.
They're right there.
There.
No, your bike. This is Judy's
No,
bike.
put that on your bike. Let's put it on your bike. Where do you want to put it on your bike? Let's go outside and... Okay, yeah, Lily, you're in the camera. No, go, Lily. Lily, come on. Lily, come on. You want to put the sticker on your bike? You want to put the sticker on your bike? Sticker on your bike? Come on. Let's go put it on your bike.
Next thing we'll do is we'll try to put this basket on.
I put a sticker on it.
Yeah, she put a bunch, but they're not the best stickers.
They won't stick on. It's because the basket is bumpy.
Yeah.
I'll be trying to secure that.
Let me see. That's the way she do it.
I'm gonna try and take that on.
You are?
Yeah.
Alright, that's your bike.
Can I go get some tape?
No. Yes.
Yay! Bye bye!
Perfect. Alright, got that done. What else? What else do I got in here? In this magic box of refurbishment. Got a seat, but I gotta wait for the whatchamacallit, the post to dry. Got some streamers. Let's go ahead and see if we can put those on. Get a screwdriver.
All you need to do is tape on the good vibes. Like that.
There it is.
That hurt.
Did it?
Yeah. Of course it did. What? Ow.
Alright, let's go ahead and put the basket together and put it on the
A
bike.
basket?
Or I'm got car seat.
Yay, the car seat for my baby. Hi. Right, Daddy?
Mm-hmm. So, then you bend it a little bit like that, and that's it.
Now I need to unbuckle it,
Yes.
which is easy though.
The only thing left we gotta do now is just wait
For the seat.
for the seat to dry. Well, we finished the bike about a couple weeks ago. So my daughter's been using it. Everything seems to work fine.
Yes, it does.
Yes. Got everything? Yeah?
Didn't you put on new pedals?
No, I did not.
Oh, okay. That's for me.
Yes. Only thing that's left to really do on this is probably I gotta put new tires on it. I didn't get those yet, so let me get the camera and I'll show you guys what we did to it.
Yay! So,
as you see, we put a new seat, we put a new basket, and a new baby carrier in the back.
we put a belt
And a bell and streamers, yes. And Judy did a bunch of stickers all over it. So
That was fun. The stickers were fun.
With
I
that-
try not to cover the princesses.
with that, I think we're done right now with this project. So why don't you make sure you subscribe, like, share. Also hit that notification button down there. Also check out the links to my merchandise. Also
What merchandise?
my shirts and stuff like that.
That's what merchandise means.
Mm-hmm. Check out my other videos. And also, remember, any project you do, you are the project manager. Thank you.
Yeah!